Wait. Everyone, let's connect it once more. Connect again. Let them connect. Yeah, Shamant, you can audible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, remaining others, just mute it. Listen what your friend is telling. Yeah, continue. So you got A consisting of the first number 4 and B consisting of 8. Okay, good. Next.
ಸರಿ A ಮತ್ತೆ B ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ CJNE ಹಾಕಿ.
So CJNE stands for compare and jump if not equal to. Okay na? So compare ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ subtraction ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Yeah.
So 4 is less than 8 sir. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ next 3 ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ SJMP next 2 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Good.
So 4 minus 8 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ next 3 ಬಂತು. It is here. So JC carry ಇದೆಯಾ ತಾನೇ ಈಗ? So 4 minus 8 ಮಾಡೋ carry ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? So what will happen? Will go to next 2 label. Correct?
Next 2, yes sir.
ಆಮೇಲೆ. So next 2 ಬಂತು. So what has happened now?
Exchange.
So after subtraction 4 and 8, you prove that 4 was the lowest one. So it has been exchanged now.
Yes sir.
Correct? ಆಮೇಲೆ DJNZ R3, loop 1. So ಮತ್ತೆ R3 ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು 4 ಇತ್ತು ಈಗ 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So it will come back to loop 1. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂತು. So R0 was pointing to your second number 31 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಈಗ 32 ಗೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
Yes sir. ಹಾ sir.
So then again same concept repeats ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So like this you need to iterate it for 16 times. You are going to get the final answer. Okay?
Yes sir.
Yeah. Good. So one changes. See, for the same question, if they ask descending order, everything is same. Everything is same. I hope you know descending order means what? Bigger to smaller. In place of JC next to, you just make it as JNC next to. Aste changes. Mikkidenu ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. JC ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ JNC. See, exam ನಲ್ಲಿ ascending order ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, automatic descending ಬರಿಬಹುದು. Okay? Just remember JC ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ JNC ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. Okay na? So let me come back to others. Let me mute everyone. Sorry, unmute. Yeah. Any doubts, anyone with ascending order?
No sir.
Logic ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ? See, logic simple ಕಂಡ್ರೋ. Subtract ಮಾಡಿದನ ಯಾವುದು smallest number ಕೆಳಗೆ ತಗೊಂತಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. It will keep going downwards. ಸರಿನಾ?
Yes sir.
Shall we go for next?
Yes sir.
No sir.
No sir.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
ಯಾಕೋ? ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಸರ್ ಕಾಸಿಫ್
ಏನಪ್ಪ ಕಾಸಿಫ್?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಸೈಯದ್ ಕಾಸಿಫ್ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವನೆ. ಕಣ್ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ ಅವನು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Okay, fine. Let me mute. Kasif. Yeah, let me wake you now. I wanted to explain Rajesh program.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, good. So I am going to mute everyone excluding Asif. Yeah, Syed.
Sir, no sir.
Hey, once try mada. ಕೇಳಿಸಿದೇನೋ ಕಾಸಿಫ್ ವಾಶು?
Yes sir.
ಈಗ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಸೇಮ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಇಟರೇಷನ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡು. ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಏನ್ ಬರೋದೇ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಏನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್? ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಮಾತಾಡೋ. ನಂಬರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ಅರೇ ಬೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ, ಕಾಣ್ತೀಯ ಅರೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 4 3 9 2 ಅಂತ.
Yes sir, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
So from this which is the biggest number?
9.
So that should be the answer. Okay. Now look at the program. Look at the program. It's same way. How you explained the previous one, same way. ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೀಗ explain ಮಾಡು. Screen ಕಾಣ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
Sir.
Yeah, explain me. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳು.
ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಿ
ಲೈ
ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೆಯೋನು, ನೀನೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೆಯೋನು?
ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೋಗೋದ್ ಕಣಪ್ಪ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? Okay, fine. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊ. Yeah, everyone listen. See, it's the same program like ascending, nothing changes. Just a part of it. See, you have DJNZ R2 come back. That's all. In the previous program, what you had? You have 2 DJNZ. That is the one thing you should be aware. Loop over loop barala ille. You just need to check out which is the biggest number. That's all. Compare, check the answer. So this is simplest compared to your ascending order. So look at the array. I given 5, 4, 3, 9 and 2. So from this, we know that by seeing 9 is the biggest number. The same thing I should get using my program also, correct? Huh? So start with the program, origin. So R0, 38, that indicates your location. And R204 indicates what? A counter. Yes, data is there, -1, counter set madkoli. Then, see, since I'm using one more register called B, assume that some data was there inside that B. That's why I want to clear that. So I am given move hash comma 00h. Okay. Then move a comma at R0. So what is at R0 now? 5. So 5 is going to be stored in accumulator. So with one number I can't do subtraction, right? So I want one more number, hence increment R0 comes to picture. So increment R0 admele move B comma at R0. So what has happened now? 4 is going to be stored in B. So what we should do? Subtract 5 minus 4. So after subtract 5 minus 4, is it equal? It's not equal. See, unless until it becomes 0. For example, 5 minus 5. 0 adra matra program end agata. Since it is 5 minus 4, it is not equal to 0. So it is going for next label. So 5 minus 4 mara carry barata. There is no carry, right? 5 minus 4, bigger minus smaller. So no carry means it will go to loop. Loop means DJNZ. So DJNZ R2 was 4, it becomes 3. So 3 comma back. So back illo itapa mattili. So you see, you are comparing biggest number now. So 5 minus 4 madadaga, you prove that 5 is the biggest. So now I'm going to take 5 and compare with the next one. Artha agtidya? But in case of previous one, you used to swap it. That swapping is not required in case of largest smallest program. Okay. So increment R0. R0 will point to this 3 now. Again move. So B is going to be loaded with 3. Now I subtract 5 minus 3. So 5 minus 3. Again next barutte, no carry, no carry. So again DJNZ, loop back, it comes back here. Now look at carefully. Increment R0, R0 points to 9. I have 5, 5 minus 9. So once I perform 5 minus 9, JNC won't work because carry is there. 5 minus 9 madadaga smallest minus biggest aaytu. So carry iddaga enaaytu, move A comma B. I am swapping the things. So what was in A will go to, sorry, what was in B go to A. So B consisting of 9. So new answer is your 9, that will be loaded to A. Okay. Again DJNZ. So 2 becomes 1. Again increment. So last concept 9 minus 2. So you prove 9 minus 2. Again 9 is the biggest. So nothing is left out now. Finally you're going to get 9 as the answer. Okay. So this is the way you need to analyze the largest program. So let me come back and ask doubts is there or not. Yeah, any doubts, anyone?
No, sir.
You got the difference between ascending to largest program?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Okay, very good. Shall I proceed to next one?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Any doubts, anyone with the first 2 programs?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Okay, good. So let me mute. See, till now you went through with data transfer instruction. That is model number 2, first part. Now we'll deal with arithmetic instructions. Okay, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Right. So let me mute everyone back. Yeah. So for the same largest program, if they ask you to write the smallest, just make a change JNC to JC. That's what I wrote in the bracket. JNC na JC madre saku. Okay. So that finish your ascending, descending, largest, smallest. Now coming for the very important arithmetic instructions. So we finished data transfer. That involves your concept of branching also. Okay. Now coming for your arithmetic instructions. See, in case of arithmetic instruction, the syllabus says that you need to perform all 16-bit numbers, excluding division, because division becomes more complicated if we perform in 8051. So they're telling that addition, subtraction, multiplication, and cube. So this 4 you need to perform 16-bit, and division you can do with 8-bit. Okay. So let me explain the program. Analyze properly. I'm going to ask you later. So addition program. Assume that I am adding 16-bit number. Look at the screen. I'm adding 1122 plus 3344, for example. So after adding, so it is like, see, we know that even though you take 16-bit, it is not going to perform 16-bit one shot, right? I'm going to perform what? I'm going to perform 8-bit one shot. So I'm going to take LSB of each first. So 22, 22, 44, 44. So this is the first LSB addition is going to happen. So I'm going to get 66. So assume that in some other example, you got a carry. If you get a carry, that carry will be transferred here. That carry, let me take a cursor. Yeah. So after adding these two, if you get a carry, that carry will be transferred to next MS bit. So while adding this 11, 11, 33, if carry was there, along with the carry, you're not supposed to add. Okay. So in this simple example, there is no carry. So I will show you what will the program execution takes place if there is no carry. But in the exam, what they're going to ask for you. Listen carefully. So initialize, sjump is done. So origin is set. Move R4, comma 00. See, I am using R4. It's a new register. If carry is obtained at the end, I need some locations to store, some register to store. That is what R4 represents for you. Okay. So R4 is used to store the carry. I have awareness about that. Coming to the first instruction, move R0, comma 30H. So it means what? I'm going to show the first number and second number in 40H. So it means 22, 11 will be stored in 30, 31, 44, 33, 40, 41, because 8 bit time. Next, I want to take first number. So move A, comma at R0. So what is there at R0? This complete number won't be there. So you'll be having 22 first, right? So first 22 will be stored to my accumulator. Then I need to add this with what? 44H. See the instructions now. I have given add A, comma at R1. So what is there at R1? 44. So this 44 and this 22 are going to add up. So after adding, you're going to get a result, that is 66. That I am storing in some register called as R2. Okay. So move A, comma at R0 means 44 and 11 are added. So now I've taken add A, comma at R1. After addition, I got new answer. That answer I need to store somewhere else. I'm storing in R2 because I want accumulator to be free for next instruction. Next. So what I want, initially your cursor was pointing, R0 is pointing 30. So I want next 11 to be added, right? So I need to point to next 31. For that purpose, I will incremented R0. Similarly, 40 to 41, increment R1. Again, same procedure, move A, comma at R0. So at R0 consisting of the number 11. Okay. So 11 will come to A. I'm going to add with at R1. So 11 plus 33. So 11 plus 33. See the instructions here? A, D, D, C. So add along with the carry. After adding the LS bit, if carry is there, along with that carry, you need to add the things. But in this example, there is no carry obtained. So ADC won't work. It works like just add on. Okay. So then again, I'm going to get new answer. That is your 44. So after adding 11, 11, 33, I got 44. That is stored in one more register called R3. Then look at here, J and C next. So carry is there. See from this, if you get a carry, increment R4. It means counting the number of carry flags. Since there is no carry, J and C next will work. So J and C next, it comes here, increment R0 and store the result. See, this is where the program ends if there was no carry. If there was carry, how it happens, I want you to explain now. Okay, so let me give some other data. Let me go back to you all. Yeah, first part, any doubts, anyone? Addition without carry number, any doubts? Program
No,
artha
sir.
aita?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now who is going to explain the number with carry? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ಯಾ? Say yes or no yaar.
No, sir.
Doubts sir ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಧಾನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ yes sir ಅಂತ. Okay, let me only pick.
No, sir.
No sir. Dharnesh ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ? Dharnesh, you will explain man?
Sir, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ explain ಮಾಡಿ sir.
ನೋಡು ಡೌಟ್ ಕೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡು. ಋತು ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್? ಋತು explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಪ್ಪ? I will give one number for you now.
sir.
Yeah, good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, everyone take a calculator now. Take a calculator. Write down the number. AB 98. AB 98 is the first number. AB 98H is the first number. Second number C5 84H. C5 84H. Number ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So I'm going to mute everyone excluding Rutu. Yeah, Rutu audible, man?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, shall I go to program now?
Yes, sir.
Good. Yeah. So what is the number I told you?
AB 98H.
One ನಿಮಿಷಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. Let others see. Yeah. So let me take the number AB
98H.
This I should add with C5
C5 84H.
84H. Okay, good. Yeah. Now explain me. So 98 plus 84 then agat first. Okay, before that tell
Yes,
me the
sir.
answer. What's the answer you're going to get after adding? ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಲ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡು, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್. AB 98 and C5 84 answer. Others parallel want you to write and analyze. ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕೇನೋ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಲಿ? What's the answer, Rutu?
Carry 1.
Carry 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲಪ್ಪ
82.
8
2.
ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡು. 882 ನಾ?
82, sir.
82 ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ? ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, after adding 98 and 84, your friend is telling 82 with 1 carry. Okay, good. Yeah, now explain the program here.
Oh, first,
Help.
98 will be stored in R0, sir.
Good. Yeah.
Next, 84 will be stored in R1.
Very good. ಆಮೇಲೆ add
Then
a comma turn ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ?
R0.
So you're going to perform 98 plus
98
84.
is 98 plus 84.
Okay, so 82 bantu. Where it will be stored now? In R2. Correct?
R2. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now I want the next number. Means AB and C5 to be added, right? So for that
Yes,
purpose,
sir.
I am incrementing R0 and R1.
R0 and R1.
Good. Amala.
Now
Next number, correct?
A-
Or not? Yeah.
AB is
AB is going
AB
to
will be
stored in
stored
accumulator, correct?
accumulator and
That I should write with
C5
C5 along with the carry.
C5
See,
carry
now
1.
everyone listen carefully. Carry ADC picture banta. So till now only add was working. So since AB C5 plus carry is coming, ADC will works now. Procedure. So after adding, what is the number you got?
Carry
AB C5 mada ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಪ್ಪ? AB C5 plus 1 mada ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? AB plus C5 plus 1 mada. What is AB plus C5 plus 1? 1 because carry is there. What is this equal to? ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಋತು?
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ? Let me take calci. What is the answer here? AB plus C5 plus 1. So you'll get 171.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. 171 andre one carry anta barutte alva. So others, so 171 is answer. It means 71 is answer. 1 will be carry. Okay, procedure. Yeah. So ADC ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so 71 is going to be stored in R3, correct?
Yes, sir.
So JNC work ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ. So since carry is there,
Yes.
JNC won't work. So it will go to increment R4. So
Increment
R4 0 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು 1 ಆಯ್ತು. It means 1 carry ಬಂದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
Yes, sir.
Then again.
Then
I need to store that result, no?
yes, sir.
Yeah. What is going to happen now? So increment R0 means what is happening? I am incrementing. See, after adding AB and C5, R0 is pointing there, right? I want that to point somewhere, means some other where, because I need to show the answer. Okay. So move A comma R2. R2 will answer agli tana.
Yes,
So
sir.
after adding the first, you got the first answer, that is your 82. So 82 will be moved to A, and that I am throwing back to at, means I am allocating 30, 31, next space as 32. In that 32 location, the new answer will be stored. Artha aita? So same way,
Yes, sir.
next location, that is again increment R0. So 33 ಇಂದ 34 point ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Same logic. Move A comma R3. So R3 ಬಂದು answer 71 ಅಲ್ವಪ್ಪ? 71 answer ಮತ್ತೆ A ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಅಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ, so one more answer 33 ಅಲ್ಲಿ I got one more answer. Again increment. So final answer ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತೇಳು? You are going to get final answer as, so 0 1 carry. ಆಮೇಲೆ what is the R3 answer you got here? 71 ಅಲ್ವಾ? 72 and 82. So this is how you are going to get. So data ಇಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ 30 31 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Next 32 33 34 represents the answers for you. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Let me go back. Unmute everyone. Yeah, others, is it fine? What did we discuss now?
Yes, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ?
Yes, sir.
See, you got the difference without carry with carry ಹೆಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂತ?
Yes, sir.
So 30 31 ಡೇಟಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 32 33 34 is left empty to store the answers. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubts, anyone? Hello, hey Dharnesh, doubt idena?
No, sir.
ಹೇಳ್ತೇ ಇದೀನಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರ? ಎಲ್ಲದವನು ನೀನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡು ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಧರಣೇಶ್ okay fine see same way we can perform subtraction also what are the changes you can do subtraction addition ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ sub ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು so let me go to program and explain okay so once you understood the addition part next is subtraction okay so I just written here itself okay look at the same program see here subtract add ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ see there is no instruction called sub in this 8051 it should be subb only subtraction with borrow only there is no sub individual like add okay so subb a comma at aron baribeku before subtraction you need to do clear the carry flag that's why I added these two lines you can look at your clcc then followed by subb other changes so then again followed by here also adca ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ sub a comma ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you're going to perform subtraction for the same number is it fine yeah everyone got subtraction program
Yes, sir.
same program only thing is you should be just change the instruction but before that you should use clcc yeah because what doubt you have man
ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಅಂಶ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್
ಏನಪ್ಪಾ
ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಹೇಳು
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 98 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 84
ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಓಕೆ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಗೋ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ ಹೇಳು ಇಲ್ಲ
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ 1 ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
ಯಾವುದು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹೈಲೈಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಕ್ಯುಮುಲೇಟರ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆ
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್
ಇನ್ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಗೋ ಟು ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ CY ಅಂತ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್
ಅದನ್ನ ತೋರ್ಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ R4 ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್
ಓಕೆನಾ
ಹಾ ಸರ್
ಯಾ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್
ಸರ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್
ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ R1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 98 ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಅಥವಾ ಫುಲ್ AB 98 ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಸರ್
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ one second let me take a test ಬರಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ ಏನು ನಂಬರ್ ಏನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು
ಅಡಿಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್
AB 98 ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಅಥವಾ 98 ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ AB ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಿ ನೀನ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ 38 40 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಆಡ್ ವೈಲ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಸೊ ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನೀನು AB 98 ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಗಿವ್ 98 AB ಉಲ್ಟಾ ತಗೊಳ್ದೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್
ಓಕೆನಾ ಸಿ ನೀನ್ AB 98 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ AB ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್
Okay,
how it looks you should do replica because lower byte first ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ higher byte ಸರಿನಾ
ಸರಿ
okay anybody else doubts ಯಾರಿಗ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ
No, sir.
subtraction ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ
Sir.
okay fine shall we go for next
ಸರಿ ಸರ್
Yes, sir.
let me mute everyone see before going for multiplication I will explain division ಆಮೇಲೆ multiplication ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಆ multiplication is something is there extra what you should do I will tell later so let me mute so now listen see in arithmetic instructions we finished addition and subtraction so if you read addition program you just need to aware about that SUBB that's all remaining all it becomes subtraction program in subtraction program also be very careful if you do bigger number minus small number there is no borrow so same way you should give small number minus bigger number then you can analyze how borrow flag means carry flag will affect for subtraction also okay so you try out that if you have doubt you can ask me yeah see let me go back to division first then I'll explain that Yeah. So look at the division category. So I already told you, compared to addition, subtraction, multiplication, and cube. So division you can perform for 8-bit. Okay. So let's analyze first, then I will explain the program. So division means what? There should be answer in terms of quotient and remainder. So how your control will tell this is quotient, this is remainder, you just aware here. Assume that 38 is a location, one number is there, and 48 I have one more location where to store the result. Okay. So look at here, I am dividing now FF by 8. So FF is in 30th location and 8 is in 31st location. So after doing division, the answers will be stored in 40 and 41. So here 30 acts like a source and 40 acts like a destination. Okay. So before going for the program, let me analyze the logic for you. Look at carefully. Whenever you perform FF by 8, it is like 8-bit by 8-bit. So you're going to get quotient as 1F. Quotient as 1F. And always quotient will be stored in accumulator. Always quotient will be stored in accumulator. Okay. I will just show you. Accumulator will store agata. Then remainder will be stored in B register. But you should know how to calculate remainder, right? See, in the exam, they won't ask you to do the things directly in the program type in the Kerala. They will ask you to do the things manually. Okay. So now you should be aware how to get this remainder. For that, I have written a formula here. Just look at a formula to find the remainder. See, when you divide FF by 8, answer by the quotient. Quotient can problem agala. Nimke problem agade remainder. How you can calculate remainder manually if they ask? Then remainder is equal to dividend minus divisor into quotient ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So dividend ಅಂದ್ರೆ biggest number FF, divisor ಬಂದು 8, quotient ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು 1F. So if we do this dividend minus divisor into quotient, the answer is remainder. Okay. So this will give you the clear picture how to calculate the remainder without using calculator. Okay. Let me come back to program now. So move R0 30H. So 30H point ಆಯ್ತು, 40H point ಆಯ್ತು. So what is it at R1? FF. FF goes to A. Now I want the divisor to be taken. That's why we incremented. Then I'm throwing back that 8 to B. So divide AB ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? A by B ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So A by B ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ? Quotient will be stored in accumulator that I am storing at R1. Similarly, increment R1 and remainder will be in B, that in one more R1. So 40 ಅಲ್ಲಿ quotient ಬಂದ್ರೆ 41 ಅಲ್ಲಿ remainder ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So end ಮಾಡಿ. So that's all. It's a simple program because it is for 8-bit. Okay. So if you have doubt, you can ask. Yeah, any doubts, anyone? Logic gotaita division though. It's just simple program. Only for division you have such kind of 8-bit, not for others. Any doubts, anyone? Doubts in raw?
No, sir.
Okay. Shall I proceed for multiplication then?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me go back. See, you have again 6 more minutes. Session will wind here. So we'll finish up the multiplication. Then again log in here. 10 more minutes I will take after this. So because I want to explain cube also. If that is done, that is the end of your arithmetic instructions. Yeah. Now listen. See, actually you need to perform 16-bit multiplication. So before performing 16-bit multiplication, I want you to analyze how to do 8-bit first. Okay. So now 8-bit explanation I'm going to do. 16-bit program I will give with one example. I want you to analyze the program. Okay. How it works for 16-bit, right? So now just look at here. Before this, I will just show you how the multiplication happens in general. In general, I will just write here. See, if you multiply 24 into some number, 42, just an example I'm giving, 24 minus 42. If you multiply, in general, how will you do? You will take this 2, correct? You will take this 2 and multiply with this 24, correct? You're going to get one answer, right? Then you are going to leave one empty space here. Then again, you're going to take 4 and you're going to take 4 with 24. You're going to get one more answer. Then you need to add this to get a final answer. So this is how the process, right? So same procedure you're supposed to follow for your multiplication in case of 8051, right? So look at the program. So move R0 given here, then move R1 initialization of data. Say I'm giving the input at 30 and I'm taking output at 40. So move A comma at R0. It means if you take an example, assume that I am multiplying FF. I am storing FF in my 30th location. Okay. And 31st location, one more number, FE. So assume that you are performing FF into FE. You can see the screen, I written answer also. FF into FE, if you perform, you're going to get FD02 as answer. This is the answer. This will be your answer, okay? So how to get that using program? Just look at here. So what is the first number? FF will be moving here. So I want to increment R0 because I want second number also. So that's why I have stored that and kept in B register. So now I should do mul operator. That's why I'm giving mul. So mul AB means it is B into A. It's not A into B, it's B into A. So you're going to perform B into A. Then whatever the answer I'm going to get, if it is 8-bit, it will be stored in this location. If it is more than that, it will be stored in one more location. Okay. See, look at this example. What I showed, FF into FE. So what I told, you can look at the arrow mark, E into FF. If you do, you're going to get DF2. Okay. So one space is left. Again, F into FF, if you perform, EF1 agata. So if you add this, I'm going to get FD02. So same answer, what I showed earlier. FD02 using the manual calculation. Same thing you're going to get using program also. So after multiplication, you got FD02. So first answer, I'm going to store 02, then FD. That's why I've taken move at R1 comma B, increment R1, then move at R1 comma B. Yes, John. Okay. So this is about your 8-bit multiplication. So now I will just show you a program for 16-bit. Before that, you just look at the procedure. Load the MSB of data in 2 different registers. See, assume that I want to multiply 16-bit numbers now. FFFF into FE90. If you want to multiply these two, so from this first number, FF is MSB. From this second number, EF is a MSB. That is what first point tells. Load the MSB. Similarly, load the LSB, means FF190 in this example. Then successive multiplication is carried out. Product obtained will be stored in register and output will be stored in different registers. See, after multiplication of this FFFA, EF, ED, just check out what is the answer. You are not going to get a 16-bit. It is more than 16-bit answer. So you need to make use of different registers to store that. Okay. So you may require R7, R6, R5, R4. So 4 registers will carry each answers. So this is what the logic program is here. See here, FFFF into FE90 madre, this much answer I should get. So program I'll continue. This is the biggest program, but what is in manual of the company madre, it is check that. Okay. Analyze madi. Look at here. MSB store madidini, LSB store madidini. Then number ತಗೊಂಡು multiplication ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. Now your task is number ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, program ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, analyze ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, I'll come back to you. Again, I think session will get popped out. Yeah, before session gets popped out, I want you to wait for 10 more minutes after this. So any doubts with 8-bit multiplication? ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ? 60-bit ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ? MSB ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, LSB ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ನೋ ಅದೇ ತರ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So if session gets popped out, you just hold on for 10 more minutes. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ 2 ಮುಗ್ದೋಗುತ್ತೆ.